back to the second tutorial. I'm moistening my paper first before I add my acrylic paints. I want my acrylic paint to be quite transparent so I can see the lines underneath. Once the sky is all dried, I'm going to start painting the water. You can choose your own color for your water. I really like this teal or turquoise color that distinguishes from the sky color. Next, I'm choosing to paint all the green areas in my painting. We will be adding clouds into our sky and pick up just right with the tip of our brush and just add whatever clouds you like. Create your own cloud formations here. Next, I will be painting the white area between the green meadows. Notice how I mix different shades of brown with a little bit of white here and there and just mix them into that white space randomly without really thinking much about it. I decide to give my mountains a very light base color of purple to start with. Later on, I will add some darker shades on top to make them look more three-dimensional. Next, I'll be painting my tree trunk. This is going to be the green part of my tree. So all of my leaves, and I will be mixing different shades of green and yellow and even a little bit of white in here. I'm adding some highlights on the left side of my canopy. For my shaded areas of my mountains, I'm using my charcoal pencil to indicate lines where I want to paint the darker shades. I will be using my number 5 round brush to fill in the dark shades. I continue shading my mountains on the left side of my mountain tops. I'm going to redraw my tree line with my white charcoal pencil. It's time to paint my forest. We finished our first layer of paints in this tutorial. In my next tutorial, I will add more details to this landscape and finalize this art piece.